Hi everyone, this is PuneetGrover. Welcome to our channel Coding with Puneet. So today I will tell you about 4 ways to increase your productivity by 10 times as a software engineer with the help of ChatGPT. So if you are a software engineer and looking to boost your productivity, then you are at the right place. So today I will show you how ChatGPT can increase your productivity by 10 times. Now, if you don't know about ChatGPT, then let me tell you, ChatGPT is an artificial intelligence language model developed by OpenAI, which can help you to give you answers of the common questions and so many things. But before that, tell me one thing. Have you ever used ChatGPT? If yes, then for what purpose you have used the ChatGPT? Write down in the comment section. We will talk about that as well. Now, let's jump into the 4 ways to increase your productivity. So the very first way to use ChatGPT is to give quick answers to common questions. So as a software engineer, maybe in the beginning, or if you are integrating some SDKs or doing anything extra or learning new language, you might have to ask a few questions, maybe related to some documentation, maybe related to some syntax, maybe related to some library functioning and so on. But without going through the documentation or anything, you can directly ask those questions to ChatGPT. For example, if I want to ask a question, I can write down, hey ChatGPT, how can I declare a variable in Kotlin? Or how can I use sealed classes in Kotlin? And see how ChatGPT quickly give you the answer of that question. Now let's discuss about the second way to increase your productivity with the help of ChatGPT, that is automating your task. So as a software developer, you might be familiar with the repetitive task, for example, formatting your code, writing test cases, deploying the builds, and so on. But with the help of ChatGPT, you can automate these things and free up your time for some important work. Yes, this is the beauty of ChatGPT. For example, you can create a ChatGPT script to automate your test cases whenever you run your code. Now, let's discuss about the third way to increase your productivity, that is with the help of optimizing your code. So with the help of ChatGPT, you can optimize your code even more by removing the bottlenecks and suggesting more efficient and optimized algorithms. For example, you can ask ChatGPT, hey, this is my SQL query. Can you please improve the performance, or can you please suggest me some improved query instead of that? And ChatGPT will provide you suggestions. How can we improve this SQL query? Now let's discuss about last but not least, fourth and final way to increase your productivity with the ChatGPT, that is for project management. Do you know ChatGPT can also be used for project management tasks such as tracking progress, setting deadlines, managing resources, and etc. ChatGPT can also improve communication and collaboration among your team members. For example, you are working with few developers, and with the help of ChatGPT, you can ask ChatGPT to do the reminder of the task, setting the deadlines all at one place. That means by this you will come to know everyone is on the same page with very less additional efforts. So guys, these are the 4 ways by which you can increase your productivity 10 times to 20 times with the help of ChatGPT. Let me know which way you like the most and which way you have already used that. See you in the next video. Do subscribe Coding with Puneet. Keep supporting.